If your Steam games keep opening in the wrong resolution, look stretched, or just don't fit your screen right, don't worry. Today I'll walk you through a simple, reliable way to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set the resolution you want and prevent display issues in the future. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer. Just click the folder icon on your taskbar. From there, go to This PC and open your Windows C drive. This is where most of your program files are stored. Now look for the folder called Program Files x86 and open it. Inside, find the folder named Steam. Click it, then open Steam Apps. And after that, open the folder called Common. This is the directory that contains all of your installed Steam games. Scroll to find the specific game that's having screen resolution issues and open its folder. Inside that folder, look for the game's main application file. Right-click it and select Properties. In the window that opens, switch to the Compatibility tab. You'll see several options here. Start by checking the box for Disable Display Scaling on High DPI settings. This can solve a lot of visual glitches, especially if you're on a high-resolution monitor. Next, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This gives the game the proper permissions to apply your settings correctly. If you see an option to enable the program to work with OneDrive files, check that as well to avoid any syncing problems. Once those boxes are checked, click Apply, then OK to save everything. Now jump back into Steam. Open your library, find the same game, and right-click it. Choose Properties. You should automatically be in the General tab. Here's where you'll set your custom resolution. Look for launch options. In the field provided, type the command using W for width and H for height. For example, if you want the game to run at 1920 by 1080, type W 1920, H 1080. Replace those numbers with whatever resolution fits your monitor. Once you enter it, just close the window, Steam saves it automatically, and the next time you run that game, it will use the resolution you set, and that's all you need to do. A few quick changes in your folders and a custom launch command is usually enough to fix any screen resolution problems in Steam games. If this helped you out, feel free to stick around for more straight-to-the-point fixes and guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your games in the resolution they were meant to be played.